Hello, love bugs, and thanks for stopping by the channel. I've been out and about and getting things ready for our upcoming promotion for our credit reset. This is Danielle, the Tax Craft Lady. I hope everyone's doing well. And I've had a few people asking, what do we do here? So we put together a little PowerPoint just to tell you what is done at No Limit Tax Clear Credit Repair. Okay, guys? So check out the PowerPoint and let's stop that. No Limit Tax Clear Credit Repair. We work hard so you don't have to. Tax preparation, extensions, amendments, tax debt resolution, ITIN numbers, credit repair, disputes, settlements, bookkeeping, immigration form filing, business formations, business letters and forms. We also service government contracts and supplies. Unlock a world of financial solutions with our services. Are you tired of navigating the complex maze of financial paperwork? Look no further. We're here to simplify your financial life and empower you with a range of services that go beyond tax preparation. Our comprehensive services, tax preparation, our seasoned experts meticulously handle your tax returns, ensuring accuracy and maximizing your refunds. Tax debt resolution, struggling with tax debt, we've got your back. Our team negotiates with the IRS to find the best resolution for you. Amendments and extensions, did you miss something on your previous tax return? We'll amend it swiftly, rectifying any errors or omissions. Didn't file in time? We've got you covered. Credit repair. Your credit score matters. Let us guide you toward better credit health. We'll analyze your credit report, dispute inaccuracies, and provide personalized strategies. Bookkeeping. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual, organized finances are crucial. Our bookkeeping services keep your records in tip-top shape. Immigration forms. Immigration paperwork can be daunting. Trust us to handle your forms accurately and efficiently. Business formation, letters, and forms. Want to start your business off legally? We do business formation. Need a professional touch? We craft persuasive business letters, client communications, to official correspondence. Choose us, our expertise and personalized approach. Our team boasts years of experience and stays up to date with ever-changing tax and credit laws and regulations. Results driven. We measure success by your satisfaction. Our goal? To see you thrive financially. Personalized approach. We understand that every client is unique. Expect tailored solutions that fit your specific needs. Confidentiality. Your financial matters remain strictly confidential. Your trust is our priority. We've got you covered with a wide array of services to meet your needs. Come meet our team. Danielle Murphy, the owner and the tax and credit specialist. Marcella McIntolloway, office administration and bookkeeping. John Wilson, tax and credit specialist. And don't forget about our back office, where we have support for you available at all times. Don't go it alone. We're here to give you peace of mind. We're currently working out of our home-based office. We're small but mighty. You can reach us by phone, text, fax, email, or online. We have many ways for you to reach us, so we can give each client personalized services. Discount provider, don't let our discounted prices discourage you. We want to be an affordable source for everyone. We have payment plans to suit your needs. Thank you for taking the time to get to know a little bit about No Limit Tax Clear Credit Repair. Please feel free to reach out and let's discuss your needs. Thank you.